Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have traveled to an intergalactic plane. What planet, might you ask? Born Pretty Planet. I am so excited to unveil some gorgeous PR Born Pretty sent over. But I can't get over from the selections and choices they gave and the colors I end up choosing. We went right into outer space. So without further ado, let's get into all of the goodies. First off, a huge thank you and shout out to my representative, Cynthia. Thank you so very much for sending these goodies over. They are absolutely breathtaking, and they made my mermaid fairy heart squeal. So first up is their Sea Blue Cat Eye Magnetic Gel. This is 7 ml, and it retails for $5.99 US. Now there is, let me just quickly count here. There is over 12 options of colors that you can choose from this specific cat eye collection. So I would really urge you to go over, because as you saw, it is so insanely reflective. Now, Born Pretty has bust out all these new packaging, which I am freaking out about. They are so professional, so gorgeous, and they're coming through with some revolutionary products. Now, this liquid chrome, when it hit the market, y'all, I was sent, from my nail sister, Nefer, she actually sent a picture of these, I think they were called like Mayu liquid chromes, and they were $200 for 6, which they were gorgeous, but for somebody on a fixed income, like, that is just so out of reach. So I actually saw on both Mama Does Nails and Priya K's Nails, they were sent this phenomenal liquid. It's Aurora liquid powder, okay? This comes in 10 ml, and y'all, this is a nail tech nail artist dream. From beginners to experts, you will love. And I'm going to show you 3 different ways to use this product. And after we did some envy science, I really figured out the best way to use that. So you're going to have to stay tuned to see the live swatching. Next up, they also sent a matte top coat, which I am freaking out about. I can't wait to do different matte designs, and I know that it is just like all of their products are so beautiful, so I can't wait to test it. But this is called, it's from a Silky White series. It retails for $8.06 Canadian. And this one, oh my days, I gotta read you the number quickly. So it is called CG116. So if you're interested in this, it's a very galaxy, giving me all of the Purple Priestess vibes. Envy, honey, I hope you squealed at that one. And I just wanted to quickly, as I'm opening up this beautiful, this is the showstopper here. I wanted to reiterate, the liquid powder was $9.99 US. And this Silky White series is $8.06. And this is the Aurora Non-Stick Hand Extension, 15 ml. It retails for $10.75 Canadian. I'm sorry that I go in between Canadian and American, but it's what popped up on the website when I was looking. But y'all, this one right here, this is a showstopper. This is literally Tinkerbell's fairy dust, mermaid scales, all of the magic wrapped up in one. Through shorts and lives, you've seen me play around with their extension gel, but this merges all of my loves in one. So don't you fear, you are going to see all of these magic swatched live right now. So at first I was actually using Born Pretty's black. I was going to swatch the Sea Blue Cat Eye on the black, and actually it is better topped on itself. I will show you both swatches, but this magnificent cat eye is so powerful, and it also has a jelly blue undertone that you do not need any kind of background. It makes its own, and honey, she is beautiful. If you fall in love with any of these jaw-dropping products today, we have 10% off codes, y'all. So for bornpretty.com, you can use Raven 10, Mama Does Nails 10, or Priya 10. And all of that, including the links, will be in the description box below. But can we have a moment, y'all? Born Pretty's cat eyes are so spectacular. You definitely can see the 9D dimension. Now, as promised, I'm showing it to you both on just no background, using its beautiful jelly, and then using a black background. And personally, if I was doing like an ombre, it would look really beautiful with the black, but having the black peek through. But honestly, y'all, this color is so breathtaking. Just topped on itself, you get the sea jelly. This is giving me Siren. This is right in Atlantis, baby. Like, this is everything. By far, out of any PR I've ever been sent from Born Pretty, this is my favorite PR they've ever sent. Everything spoke to my heart, and these are products that I wanted to try so bad. So we have Christmas Day, y'all. So for the Aurora liquid powder, it's extremely important to shake it. And I want to thank Mama Does Nails and Priya for giving me this tip, because I really would have no clue how to use it besides like shorts and things that I've seen people do. But even in that, sometimes it's not very explanatory. So it is really important to shake this product. And there's various ways that you can swatch it. So I'm going to just swatch that in just a moment. But when we go into the 3 different ways, it's really neat. And it just achieves such a salon quality finish. So this is the Silky Gel series. I call this baby, this is Galaxy. But I'm just going to quickly read the number for you. So this is CG116, and again, that's in their Silky series. And you really have to hurry, because all of these, which almost looks like it has the reflective or hollow sparkle, they're almost all sold out. And it's not a wonder why. Like, all this needs is a little nebula and some stars, and you got a whole intergalactic baby. As I am getting into all the swatching magic, I just wanted to repeat, because I also made a community post regarding this. Born Pretty from April 6th to April 12th has a 20% off Easter sale with the code Easter20, giving 20% off, y'all. So if you're seeing anything right now and you're watching this before April 12th, you need to run over and use that Easter20 discount code. And also on April 10th, there will be free shipping. And what I love about Born Pretty period is once you reach a certain payment cap, which can be as low as $25, you get free shipping. So I'm really impressed by them. So as we move on to this stunning Aurora nail extension, I really love that this is a no-waste product. Nothing got stuck to that lid. I was able to just put that right back in. And the depth of this magical product, like, this looks like instant fire opal to me. Like, it is insane. I did not want to break that tip, so I just thought, even if it looks a little messy, we're gonna roll that up into a cute little magical ball. And we are gonna show you how easy. So this would be the same method if you had a dual form, if you wanted to do the Femi Beauty method and use a full cover tip. You can put this on top of the nail and shape it out. Like, there's so many different options. But the fact, first of all, that it's solid and you can manipulate it with your hands is out of this world. But now they've gone and upped it a million steps by making it Aurora. Okay? So no faffing about with the angel paper and all of that business. No. Born Pretty has you covered with it all in this magical little pot. And look at this top coat moment. Like, that is so spectacular. So honestly, the products that they sent over for this PR haul, these are all revolutionary products to me. Like, they're definitely like hot ticket items in the nail world, and I am so excited to make all of the magical nail content with this. Whew, do you see that shift? Oh my goodness. This is another one of those moments that if I did not believe in magic, that an angel and a fairy got their wings today. Because this is just so stunning. So far, we have swatched the gorgeous sea blue cat eye, the stunning shiny, I want to call that hollow magic, like it is so yummy, and the Aurora extension gel. And all three of these are showstoppers. But I saved one of the best things for last, and that is this stunning Aurora liquid powder, y'all. So we're going to go through some science and different tests so we can see the best way to use that product as well. And the only thing I will not be swatching that I received today is the matte, because I am going to be using that in a gorgeous full set. And now, without further ado, I bring you Liquid Aurora Powder. Oh, I am so excited. I have literally been seeing this light up every corner of the nail internet. And it just seems like such a revolutionary product. And I've also seen it applied different ways. So I did want to test it out on different backgrounds and different ways, as in a fully cured nail with a no wipe top coat for 1 minute, a nail that was cured for 30 seconds, and also it burnished into the nail using a sponge. So we are going to get into that, and as we just swatch, I'm going to speak about my first experience because this was so fun to play with. So as you see at first, I'm kind of basically swatching it as if you'd swatch polish, but I wasn't sure how much to put on. And I did know that no matter what, you do have to wait 30 to 60 seconds because you want all of that alcohol to evaporate before you begin rubbing and burnishing this gorgeous polish in. Now, the reason it is not as shiny as it should be is this was a test on a nail that had been cured for 1 minute. So I would suggest that you cure your no wipe top coat for 30 seconds, and then you place this gorgeous magic on top. And as you see, and I'm rubbing it, oh my days, this coverage was so delectable. And also, this selection is so beautiful. It has notes of blue, greens, and purples. It is such a stunning chrome. So we are going to test her out on a black surface, on a white surface, and also, if you enjoy this science, then I would love to do this on more backgrounds. So that would be like rainbow, cat eye backgrounds, pinks, etc. So if you guys would like to see that, please comment down below. So I was ridiculously impressed with 1 minute, it did definitely go on beautiful, but it wasn't like packed on with color. But doing it for 30 seconds and then placing that on the nail. And it's just liberty. You can even just, as I'm doing here, just dot it on. You don't have to have any rhyme or reason, because once that evaporates, it's your burnishing, the rubbing it in, that is going to just have all of the heavens opening up. Now, I am so upset this would not show its full glory. And such it is with filming. Generally, what the naked eye sees is never what the camera picks up. But there is these darling pink and blue shifts happening with light purple, and it is so beautiful. There's something like angelic about it, and I can definitely get that glazed donut vibes. It is just so beautiful. Now, as I rub it like with my finger, there's actually quite a bit of product that was left on my fingers. And so for the third test, I tried it on a sponge, which I was so floored by the application of it on the sponge that for me, that is the only way to do it. Like like words. I was just literally mind blown. So just shortly, as soon as I'm finished top coating this beauty, we're gonna go on to that third method. And personally, I think that is one of the best methods. It's fully magical. So any kind of sponge will work. I really like using like the makeup wedges, but what's really interesting, because this is an alcohol mix, when you do place the product on the sponge, it actually puffs up like a cloud. And at that point, you know that it's fully evaporated and ready to use. So you're gonna see me gently apply like the most little amount of product on this sponge, and you will literally be able to see it puff up, which is, visually, it's very fun. It's very satisfying. But the really amazing part you are gonna see is when I buff this onto, it's a simple black stiletto swatch. I'm sorry, I got too excited there. And basically, I literally just put a no wipe top coat on there, cured it for 30 seconds, and then I just buff this into it. But I ensure that I did wait 60 seconds, and I was also very impressed with how that puffed out. I just thought, this seems like a science experiment, and I'm living for it. So this is where the magic happens. I double checked, I made sure it was dry, and then, wow. So this is where I say this is a huge game changer for nail techs, nail enthusiasts. Like, if you work at a salon, you are never going to waste any form of product. Like, sometimes I see, like, even when I would go to the salon and get chromes, they would use their gloves, dip their fingers in, and, you know, burnish it onto the nail. And though it would look stunning, you would see a certain amount of waste that puffs into the air, a certain amount of waste on the glove. Well, this is no mess, no fear. Like, Born Pretty is here. This is just so stunning. I think this is a revolutionary product, and I definitely want to try more. There are no words, Born Pretty. Thank you so much for sending over these goodies, and there's going to be so much nail magic with these. Like, honestly, you know the measure of a good product when you have instant inspiration. And the moment I began swatching these and looking at these colors, I was like, yep, you chose the right background, because this is intergalactic magic. This is so otherworldly. They also all go together. It's very amazing. So I absolutely love this selection. And if anybody is inspired to try any of these polishes, please comment down below. I would love to hear which ones you loved, maybe products that you've already tried. I really think that this liquid Aurora like chrome powder is just the coolest thing ever. So I would definitely be playing with more of that. I cannot thank you enough for popping in and spending a part of your day with me. This Born Pretty PR haul was fantastic, of the gods, like so heavenly. So again, a huge thank you to Born Pretty and Cynthia for sending over this magic, and a huge thank you to you, yes you, my beautiful nail family. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And remember, do all things with love. Mwah. And sending big hugs. Thank you for watching.